What's up, rock stars? Okay, it is Sarah Michaels here, and in this video, I'm going to show you a hack. It took me some time to find it and then re-find it, but I'm going to show you how you can really simply, quickly, and easily contact people from your downline organization and how you can do it all from your back office. So this is pretty sweet. This is especially helpful if you want to just do that right from your back office. And if you don't yet have them imported into an email list, although I do want to tell you that in another video, I'm going to show you how you can actually download the contact information from your back office and upload that into your own contact list, whether that's for yourself personally, whether you are a team leader and you're doing that on behalf of your team, and you are really wanting to unlock some of that, beach money freedom. And so you can work less and earn more, which is always my jam. So by the way, if you have not yet, please be sure that you go ahead and click subscribe to my channel here, where I am bringing you tips, tricks, and tutorials so that you can attract your perfect prospects, automate your business, and live your beach money life. So, okay, let's get down to it. The first thing that you are going to want to do is log in here to your back office. So that's what you're going to do. Log into your back office. The next thing is you are just going to click on organization reports. Now, this is a whole lot easier if you're doing this from a laptop or an iPad. This does not work as well from your phone, so I'm just going to let you know that. So usually when you select the organization reports and hover over it, it gives you a bunch of different options. You don't want to click on any of these. You literally just want to click on organization report, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Oh my gosh, it took me like 45 minutes to refine this. I was like, what the heck? So here we are. Okay, now let me show you this really cool trick. Ready to have your mind blown? You're going to be like, oh my God. Okay. So now what you're going to do is go ahead and click on this thing down here at the bottom of the page. Let me go back just so you can see that. At the bottom of this page, it's kind of hidden right now by my tools. I hope you can see it. Right here, it says groups. Click on that tab. Okay. So this is now where it is giving you all of these different options, and the back office has automatically sorted these people for you. So it's telling you these are personally enrolled in the past 30 days. I'm not sure why it says 0. I definitely have more than that. So what it's telling, oh, I see, personal groups, downline groups. Anyways, so it's telling you inactive reps, personal recruits, frontline, and then it's telling you auto ship not run this month, inactive auto ship, and then it's telling you your entire downline right here. So let's say that I wanted to send a message to my entire downline. Like maybe I'm going to be, let's say that I'm hosting our weekly live education class, or we're hosting a giveaway or something like that. I can go here and I can check this box, and I can then go to send message to selected, and I can literally send a message to everybody in my downline. This is super freaking sweet. So even if they're not my personally enrolled, I can send them a message. So it's really cool. You can see that there are a bunch of different selections here. So it's saying active reps, inactive auto ship. So if you're like, oh, I want to contact people who don't yet have an auto ship in place. Getting people on auto ship is going to be great for, helping retention. And maybe some people in your downline don't even know about the VIP perks. So let's say you did a post on your Facebook, so for us, we just started a Facebook page. So maybe on your team's Facebook page, you are going to be running something that talks about like, hey, did you know about the VIP rewards? So you could do a post on your Facebook page, and then you could literally go in here and you could run a post. So let's say that I wanted to educate people on the auto ship. I could say, and you'll see here, you don't have to select individual names. it's selecting this whole group. So when you see this little pink banner here, that means that it has automatically gone in and added any of those contacts in that fit that description. In this case, auto ship hasn't run. So let's talk about free shipping perks, okay? So, or let's title this one "How to Unlock Free Shipping." Okay, so if they did not know that, this is where you could be like, "Hey, you can say whatever, like, hey, I'm not sure if you knew this, but there is a way that you can unlock free shipping. Go check out this post on our Facebook page to learn more." If so just be very conscious that if you are messaging your entire downline, they're probably going to be more than just your personally enrolled. Okay, so keep those messages kind of generic and team focused. If you are messaging your own personal recruits, okay, so you can see here personal recruits, frontline, sponsorship downline. So you can see my sponsorship downline. This is anyone that I have personally enrolled and then their enrollees. I believe that's how that works. So if I wanted to contact just those people, I could select just this group. It says here, no sales in the last 30 days, hasn't ordered yet this month. So there's 217 people right within my own downline that haven't ordered. Meaning if there's some kind of a really big sale going on, sometimes, y'all, we don't need to do more. We need to do more with what we already have. We need to go deeper and not necessarily wider. Okay, so I am all about that method. Like, yes, you should be out there growing your network and doing more things, but sometimes we forget that building the relationship with the people we already have and providing them with the absolute best experience is going to equal more. So, okay, anyways, so that's how you find the different groups. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you're so excited about this back office hack, let me know too. If you're like, oh my gosh, Sara, this is changing my life, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for being here. Please keep in mind that I do have an absolutely free training and free goodies and free business resources just for you. So if you are watching this video, go ahead. If you found this helpful, click the like button and then check down below in the description where you can see literally all of my freebies, my goodies, and more to help you grow your business. So thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.